Hey y'all, so swimming is done. Y'all know the spot to be at after swimming. Where do we go, Jerome?
Crumbl Cookie.
It's time for a treat. This is like their weekly thing. Anyways, we're gonna run inside Crumbl Cookie. Look here. When we got to Crumbl Cookie, it was stocked inside. We actually went across the McDonald's. Jerome got, what did you get again?
A chicken sandwich.
A deluxe crispy chicken sandwich. I got one for Carl too, but he doesn't know. And Jojo, she just eat fries. She loves McDonald's fries. Those are her favorite. Look at her. Turn on the light, Jerome. Let them see Jojo. Look at Jojo's face.
And that is the Joelle.
Living in bliss. Ah, Joey. Ah, look at that.
That
Light? Do you want to turn the light off?
is
Tell
Joelle,
brother off.
ladies and gentlemen. That's Joelle, ladies.
Tell
and
brother
gentlemen.
off. Alright, so we're going to Crumbl Cookie. Y'all, I am so tired. It was a long day at work. So our schedule kind of changed because the kids are testing. And so it's a longer day than usual at work. Today was Jerome's first day at school. Jojo had school. Alright, come on, because I don't know what time Crumbl Cookie closes. It is now 5 minutes to 8. So let's run into Crumbl Cookie and see what happens.
Let's go. Oh, you.
The boy just dashed right water back. That's why if you take something them out of the car.
Hello, everybody. We're here. Pretty nice. Oh. Pretty nice. So my mom and Joelle are coming, and we left swimming like, I don't know how, like 5 minutes ago. Also, Crumbl Cookie isn't the only store here. There's a lot of them. We made it, right?
Yeah. The pipe don't.
Everyone, you. It's packed in here.
I'll open it up for you.
Yeah, we probably.
Hold the thing.
You can hold that.
We're gonna do a fork.
A four-pack?
Yeah. Let's do.
What's this one?
Lemon pepper. Wait, Joey. What's this one?
It's our peanut butter blossom.
I definitely want to do that. I want to do that.
Caramel, raspberry
We
cheesecake.
go lemon poppyseed.
7. One more.
Yeah, and I get some.
Alright, so 5. Anything else? And
No,
then 3 ice cream.
No, that's it.
Alright, the total will be $13.42. And I get your name or
Christina.
C-H-I-R-S-T-E-S.
No matter how you spell it. It's alright. Thank
You
you.
have a membership card with us?
Thank you. Thank you.
That's good. All right, now we're heading home. So, yeah.
Seatbelt, Jerome.
That's what I'm doing, mama.
Hey.
Hello, guys. We're back
Hey.
from the road, and we're home. Yeah.
Yep. And of course, we stopped at
Crumbl Cookie.
Crumbl
I
Cookies.
remember from earlier.
These are the flavors of the week. We have a lemon poppy cookie. We have a caramel popcorn cookie, a Swiss chocolate, and a strawberry cheesecake. As you can see, Jojo touched the strawberry cheesecake. The strawberry cheesecake one is served chilled, and so is the other one. You want to start with the lemon poppy? Okay. Jojo is saying open.
Yeah, she used a sign.
Yes, and that is the sign for open. So Jojo is ready. She wants to try the lemon poppy. So because Jojo, hold on, because we got to split it so that JJ gets piece and mommy gets piece. And do you want to make piece for daddy? Here you go. You're welcome, Joelle. No, this is Jerome's. This is mommy's. Here we go. It's the lemon poppy seed. So it has like a light icing on top with the poppy seeds. And then it's supposed to have like a lemon creme inside, I guess. Let's try.
They're pretty good.
Not bad.
What do you think, Jojo? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up, Joey. She show off today. Look at here. For the past few days, Joelle has been like really attached to Jerome. She's been going in his room constantly. She wants to hang out with him. She wants to read the books that he reads. She wants to do all the big kid stuff that Jerome does. Right, Jerome? And so, they've been doing a little sibling bonding lately, and it's so cute. You know, sometimes Jerome gets annoyed, but it's still so cute. I'm in love with it. I love it, buddy. I love it, Jerome.
I'm sad because of it.
Anyways, so this was the lemon poppy seed. I definitely order this again. I would buy this again. Jerome, would you buy this one again? I think so. I would definitely buy the lemon poppy seed again. Jojo, you would buy it again? Look at Jojo's piece. It's going. It's gonna be gone soon.
Anyway.
Which one? Next.
Let's do the pie. White one.
Which one? The cheesecake?
No, the other one.
This one? The chocolate?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I think it's some kind of German.
So we're about to, it might be some kind of German or Dutch pie or something. Jerome, now you got dairy free. Ooh, y'all. So this one is stacked with like a chocolate. Could be a chocolate whipped cream, but I'm going to say a chocolate mousse. We don't know the difference. See? And then it has like chocolate shavings on top. Joey, hold on. Not eat the popcorn one yet.
We're going to eat the chocolate.
What? We're going to do the chocolate right now. Jerome said chocolate. Here, that's Jerome's piece. It's a little bit bigger. This is Jojo's piece.
Okay.
All right. Make us see. So, first and foremost, let me put this out there. I'm not a big chocolate fan. I don't like chocolate that much. I do eat white chocolate, like white Kit Kat. Those are so good. The Hershey's, like, what is that one called? The cookies and cream Hershey's? Yeah. I'll eat that. Sometimes I'll have like a bite of a Snicker, but I never feel like I need to buy a Snicker bar for myself. What else? Sometimes I'll do, once in a while, I might feel for like a Twix or something. But when I'm in Jamaica, I eat a catch just to have it, because nothing here tastes like a catch. At least I don't think so. All right, so I'm gonna take one bite and see how it goes. But one bite is good for me. All right, it's not bad. It's not too chocolatey. I think it's probably the whipped cream or the whipped topping, whatever, makes it not too chocolatey. So it's not too bad for me. I would eat it. Would I buy it again? I probably wouldn't buy anything with chocolate more than once. So Joelle is getting the next piece of chocolate. So I guess Jojo likes it. Jojo, don't you want to save this for Daddy? Let's save that one for Daddy. What's next? She's been going after the popcorn. So let's do the popcorn. The caramel popcorn. See, it's topped with popcorn and like a little bit of caramel drip on top. Let's cut it. It seems pretty thick. It is the thickest one that we have. Cut. Probably should have didn't wipe off the knife before I actually eat this. You don't want this piece. You want a piece that has popcorn, huh? Drum, you want to put that down and try the popcorn? Well, I never said stuff your mouth. I said put it down and try the popcorn. Look here, I know water over here. You have to go to the water dispenser and get water if you want. We should have declared water. All right, let me cut you another piece so that you get a couple popcorns up top. Joelle, you gone? Don't you want strawberry cheesecake? She waved bye-bye. She's gonna turn the light off. On, off, on, off. This is our life, right, Jerome? Jojo. Thank God for the ring light. Or we'd be in total darkness. Anyways, I'm gonna try my popcorn piece. Look, it's like really thick. Oh, it looks so good though. So, all this bobbing and jumping, as you can hear, we literally have a small trampoline in our living room for Joelle to use. So right now, she is using her trampoline. She's jumping. She's not concerned with me making a video. What do I gotta do with her? So, she's jumping. Let her be a kid. Whatever. Right, Joe? Yeah, I know you're hyped up on sugar from all these Crumbl cookies. Jerome, you don't say nothing about the cookie. You're just like, and I eat off it.
Yeah, this is pretty
What
good.
it tastes like?
I like the caramel and the caramel popcorn. That goes together pretty well.
Jerome, this is too sweet for me. It's like ooey gooey, which is nice. So we could heat it up, warm it up a little bit. But look at legs. I love the flavor of it. I just think with the frosting and the ooey gooey center and the popcorn on top, I don't know. It's too sweet for me. It's like just all sweet. You know, like I like tasting like different tastes, like little sweet, little salty, you know, little sour, little this, little that, you know. It's just all sweet to me. Yeah. So would I buy this again? Probably not. My favorite one so far has been the lemon poppy seed. I think that one is... Really? Which one is your first favorite?
This one.
Which one?
The one we just had.
The caramel popcorn? Oh. We'll see. Glad me I get all. So, it's not bad. Pretty good. It's just, I love the flavor. It's just too sweet. Too sweet for me. So now we're on to the last one. The last one is... Leave that.
No, give me a second. I'm going to make a whole...
No, put it down.
Cookie.
This one is strawberry cheesecake. The strawberry's running off a little bit. This one is served chilled. You know, kind of like a cheesecake. You know. Let's cut it up and see what's going on. Of course, it has like a little white frosting on top or a white layer. I'm not sure if that's some kind of cream cheese. Jerome, what do you think it is? Is it cream cheese or some kind of just vanilla frosting?
Vanilla frosting.
And then it has the strawberry on top. And I can see like strawberry seeds and stuff in there. So we know that this is not just all fake. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you buy them and they have this taste that's fake. Here we go. So the bottom does look like a graham cracker crust. Whether it is or not, I don't know. But on the outside, it does look like a graham cracker crust. We got our strawberry. We got our little layer of white, whatever that is. That little layer of white is not cream cheese. What do you think?
Not terrible.
Not terrible? Alright. So this one is very good. One thing for sure, this strawberry topping that it has, this one was made like natural and fresh. This is not artificial flavoring at all. At least it doesn't taste so. I don't know if they added anything to the color, but yeah. Does it taste like a strawberry cheesecake?
Sort of.
But it's more raspberry than strawberry.
Actually, that's true.
Mine are raspberry cheesecake. Alright, this one okay. Will I buy it again? Probably not. Alright. out of this week's flavors, I'm gonna rank mine. Jerome's gonna rank his. Jojo, are you okay? In first place, I have lemon poppy seed. In second place, I'm gonna put this strawberry cheesecake. In third place, I'm gonna put the caramel popcorn, and of course, I'm not a chocolate lover, so I'm gonna put that chocolate one last. However, if I did like chocolate, I feel like the chocolate flavors are balanced, and that could switch place with the popcorn one. Because the popcorn to me, it was just all sweet. There's not like layers of flavors or different tones to it. It's all just one flavor, one flat flavor, and that's just sweetness. And so that one would probably be last. So Jerome, what's your ranking?
Well, my ranking would be like.
Which one is first?
My first is probably gonna be the Poppyseed.
Okay.
My second is gonna be the caramel.
Okay.
My third favorite is the. Third favorite is the what's it called again?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's the chocolate, and then my last favorite is that raspberry one.
Cheesecake thing. Okay. Gotcha. So anyways, that's our review for this week. Come here, Jojo. Which one was your favorite? Which one was your favorite? All of them. Just open the box. All of them. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for joining us this week for a Crumbl Cookie review. Today is August 16th. My birthday's coming up in a few days. Anyways, what we're going to do, I still don't know.
You might put it on video.
But I'm not going to put nothing on video because I don't know what I'm doing. I might do nothing at all. I know for sure that I'm going to work because I got to collect my check. Yeah. Jojo, say bye to everybody. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Say bye. Jojo, all done. Yay.